Mortgage forbearance. Is this something you should consider during this time of uncertainty with COVID-19, or should you not? That's what I'm talking about today, so let's get started. Hi, I'm Jackie Baker. I'm a local realtor here with Coldwell Banker Realty in Allendale, New Jersey. I post videos here every Wednesday to my channel, and I talk about all things real estate. So if that is something of interest to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll never miss a video. This week I decided to discuss mortgage forbearance. With everything that's going on, people losing jobs, and how are they going to pay for their mortgage, right? So let's get into what a mortgage forbearance is. Mortgage forbearance is when a borrower falls upon hard times and they cannot pay their mortgage, so they go back to the lender and work out a forbearance agreement, which means they are suspending their payments or getting a reduction in their payments for a period of time. Now, once that period is over with, you are required to pay back all those missed payments, or whatever your payment was reduced to, you got to make up the difference on those reduced payments. So it's not a loan forgiveness. So that's, I think some people get confused with that sometimes. Forbearance does not equal forgiveness. That's not happening. So again, this is, you're temporarily suspending your mortgage payments until you get back on your feet and you get your job back, or get a new job, and you can resume paying your mortgage. Now, a couple weeks ago, the government enacted the CARES Act. And what the CARES Act does, that allows forbearance agreements if you have a federally backed loan. What are federally backed loans? FHA, VA, Fannie Mae, and Freddie Mac loans. So with those types of loans, you can actually file for a forbearance for up to 6 months. And if need be, you can extend it for another 6 months. So you can actually get a forbearance for up to a year, where you could suspend your mortgage payments or have reduced payments over that period of time. Now, also during that period of time of the forbearance, the lenders are not allowed to file anything with the credit bureau that you have missed any payments, nor can they charge you any fees, late fees or penalties for not paying your mortgage. They also cannot start any foreclosure proceedings, and this applies to anything prior to May 17th. They cannot start any foreclosure proceedings. So that's part of the CARES Act, and this is for those, again, federally backed loans. If you have a private loan, there are options out there, and you need to speak to your lender individually. And also remember, you have to file for the forbearance. You can't just stop paying your mortgage. Make sure you reach out to your lenders to get the ball rolling if you need the forbearance. Now the question is, should you take advantage of this? You can, and the only way I would recommend it is if you absolutely need to have your mortgage payment suspended. You have no money coming in, there's no way you can pay the mortgage. This is an option for you to help you out during this time of uncertainty. If you don't have to, don't do it. So if one spouse lost their job, the other one's still working, if you can make payments, just keep making them. There may even be people out there that would take advantage and just say, oh, I'm not going to pay my mortgage, we'll just file for a forbearance. I do not recommend it. Only do it if you absolutely have to. In speaking with a lender partner of mine recently, he did say there could be possible consequences down the road. Say a couple years down the road, for people who filed a forbearance, it could affect you if you're going for a refi, or if you're trying to apply for a new mortgage or get a home equity line of credit. That forbearance that happened now could impact you a couple years down the road. So make sure you absolutely have to do it. Otherwise, try to avoid it if you can. I hope you found value in today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, because when you like these videos, YouTube actually pushes it out to other people, and someone else may benefit from this information. So you could be helping somebody else by liking my video. Thanks. So that's it. That's what I have for this week. I'm Jackie Baker with Coldwell Banker Realty, and I will see you next time.